Valiant here. Today, I'm gonna be playing a game a little bit, but for the most part, my goal here is just to do some testing and see if I can figure out what the heck is going wrong. My last few streams have had a whole lot of issues, so I don't really know why. What I kind of want to do is just play a game that I've already tried streaming. I played To the Moon a while back, and it seemed to work totally fine. So really, I just want to see if it still works, or if like something has broken in my computer, or if it's just like the game that I'm currently playing is having problems. Yeah, so we'll see. I mean, honestly, I hope that this game works fine, in which case my solution is just going to be to, I guess, drop Volcano Princess and try playing something else that hopefully works better. Because if it turns out that this game doesn't work anymore, then I'm gonna have more serious problems. But yeah, like, I don't understand why Volcano Princess specifically could be causing issues, but maybe it is. And here we are. Where were you looking, Neil? Well, excuse me for heroically evading that squirrel coming out of nowhere. You ran over it anyways. Oh. You ran over it and hit a tree. Look, don't worry. It's a company car. Are you kidding me? The boss is going to kill us. We'll just say I was saving a puppy. He likes puppies, right? He's more of a cat person. Why does the world have to be so complicated? Fine, whatever furball he fancies. Crisis averted. Good. Go write that on your report later. Let's grab the equipment from the car and move already. Alright. Let's examine the poor dead squirrel. Tisk tisk. Aw, come on. I crashed the car while trying to evade it. What more do you want? Not crash the car and evade it? That's asking too much. So far, everything seems to be working just great. Saved equipment. Got the sucker. Let's roll. Click to talk right here. Okay. Anyway. Let's go, I guess. Hey, wait, don't forget the car. Just wanted to see if you'd remember. How thoughtful of you. Oh. Hi, Radio Iskandar, long time no see. How's the streaming situation going? Not well, as you can see by the fact that I'm not actually playing my current game. Yeah, it's been giving me issues. So yeah, I just figured that I would try playing a game that I know at least used to work, and see if it still works. So far it seems to be going great, but yeah, let me know if there's any stream issues. Ah, I forgot that this game did have one particular problem, which is that I can't see what I'm clicking on. Branch will do. But that's not... I don't think that's a my computer problem. I think that's just, this game seems to have some kind of bug. Save tree branch. Right, this better work. What was that? I don't even... Some kind of an air ball. Hello, Luke. Right. We need to get going for now. Right. Yeah, just... Oh, there go the squirrels again. You guys can keep an eye out and let me know if everything's going okay. On my end, everything looks great so far. Ma! They're here! Not a bad place to retire at, huh? I could do better. Night shifts. Love 'em or hate 'em? You know the answer, you stupid owl. It's probably gonna be another all-nighter, you know. I know. I doubt they'd have any coffee. Shut up. And the ocean waves will sing lullabies. Not through your blathering, they won't. And your eyelids will... Don't forget the equipment, moron. I don't get paid enough for this. Hope that he just goes backwards. Dr. Watts and Dr. Rosaline, I presume? You miss Neil. I miss Neil too. Thanks for coming on such short notice. That's okay. I tend to be bad at predicting deaths as well. Are you the patient's daughter? Oh, no. I'm just his caretaker. And these are my children, Sarah and Tommy. It's not exactly a 9-to-5 job, so Johnny lets us live here. I suppose this Johnny is our man. Johnny? Listen, it's a kid we're dealing with. I don't think we're really the ones you want. No, he just prefers to be called that. He's upstairs right now with his medical doctor. Come with me. Come on, grab that case and let's go. When my back breaks one day, I'll sue you with the insurance claim. They're just constantly arguing, aren't they? Alright, let's head upstairs before I drop this. We can just wander around, go see some stuff. Patient is waiting upstairs. Better not waste time. Alright. Yeah, I think maybe if we do this for a while and it goes well, I might try checking out a different game and see if that helps. Okay, they're gone! Whoever gets there first gets to play the melody. No fair! You pushed me! Did not. Whatever, you get the boring 2 notes anyway. So yeah, like with this game, I have my avatar on and everything, and I don't have any problems. With Volcano Princess, like, I can't seem to even... Like, even with my avatar off, it still does bad. And, like, my CPU and memory usage are actually higher now than they were in Volcano Princess. So I don't know what the heck is the deal with Volcano Princess. Those kids are pretty good for their age. Hey, you're the one who said there was no time to waste. And incidentally, I'm the one who's carrying the weight of a small meteoroid. Upgraded your PC? No, I did not. I don't know what's been going on with my streams. I am actually considering an upgrade. Maybe not a new PC, but possibly getting the Steam Deck. So then I'd be able to play a game on the Steam Deck and then do the streaming from my computer. And so my computer will only have to handle like the avatar tracking and the actual streaming part, and not the game. Whereas I can have a separate device just to play the game. And so having it spread out that way should help with performance a lot. But, yeah. I don't know. Right now it's looking like it's just an issue with Volcano Princess. So you would think, like, that game is just kind of, has simple, like, 2D graphics. There's not a whole lot going on there. But somehow... And also, like, I don't see any serious resource usage there. Like I said, it doesn't use that much CPU or anything. But just the streams break. And, like, I don't see the problems. I just get, like, really low frame rates and a lot of dropped frames for seemingly no reason that I can figure out. Uh-oh. Okay, well... Maybe this wasn't the best game to play it on, because it is also a little bit bugged. Are you sure common household power output is sufficient? Yeah, so the game on the boat did have, like, a lot of stuff going on. So when stuff went wrong with Return of the Obra Dinn, I was not surprised. That was just like, okay, I took a risk playing a game that I thought was probably going to give me problems, and it turned out to not work. Volcano Princess, I did not expect at all to have issues. I don't know what the heck is going on with it. Which is why I'm doing this test. Because I was worried that, like, something bad happened to my computer or something. Or that there was a problem with my internet connection. Or just, like, something external was going wrong. But so far, it looks like this game does totally fine. I think maybe we'll play this a little bit more, and then maybe we can try testing a different game. Let's see, were there any that were kind of, like, on the edge? I remember in, like, Greece I had a little bit of input lag, but for the most part... Luke, I think you at least were around for Greece. Was the animation smooth? Like, was the frame rate pretty good there? For Greece, whatever however it's pronounced, the platformer with the pretty visuals and animations. That's not a very specific description, is it? Yeah, that one. No, that one felt smooth. Oh. Dr. Watts, sure. I'll do it. I once played Sherlock Holmes in a high school musical. I remember you playing Watson. Same thing, guys. Just configure this. I got it started anyway. My children can show you around. They're probably downstairs at the piano. Let's see. Wait, come back here for a moment. I have something for you. Oh, right, the heart rate monitor. Here, take this. That'll keep you updated on Johnny's status. I hope there's no self-destruct button. I seem to have a knack for those. Okay. Alright, I think maybe let's switch over to a different game, because I think at this point I'm fairly confident that this one seems to be working fine. Although I have had times when, like, issues start up later into the stream, like... But, I mean, we can still keep the stream going, just, like, switch to a different game. Just for some variety. Let's try bringing up Grease. No pickled olives, yeah. Mew? Hello. Alright. Game's starting up. Go switch to it. Floof time? Yes. Ugh. I don't know if my tracking is freaking out, but she's waving her tail around. Alright, here we go. Oh, let me bring my windows back to where I need them. Okay. I forget the controls of this game. Did I have current progress? What happens if I continue? I think I just finished the game. It's possible that there's some kind of New Game Plus kind of stuff. Oh, is it just gonna, like, replay the final cutscene or something? I don't think we need to do that. Alright, got a quick cat pet break. He's very cute. So cute. Okay, maybe we should start a new game, though. Oh, there's chapters. Interesting. Huh. Cool. Let's start from the beginning. Maybe this time I can get some of the, like, optional stuff that I missed. Oh yes, the little critters moving around. Cute. Thingy Bobber. And this one is also running very well. Although, I'm seeing a little bit of a frame rate drop. But not too crazy. You find these games so far? I haven't seen you play a mediocre one. Well, thank you. It's just because I have excellent taste in games, I guess. Mostly, it depends. It's kind of a variety of sources. A lot of it is just me browsing Steam randomly and just looking at things that look interesting. I think at this point, my, like, algorithms kind of know what I like. So I can, even on, like, YouTube and stuff, I get, like, recommendation videos for interesting games sometimes. Or, like, you know, follow other, creators who also post about or advertise cool games. There's something over there. I don't know how to get to it. But yeah, it's kind of a variety of stuff. Okay, no, I think I know how to get up there. Oh. But yeah, sometimes I'll just, like, look through the random Steam sales. Not even necessarily the popular stuff, just, like, whatever random stuff is going on. Graphics are lagging a bit sometimes, but audio seems to be fine. Yeah, I've noticed a little bit of frame rate problems. Nothing too terrible. Well, not great either. But I don't think it's anything near the issues that we were having with Volcano Princess. Ah. So I can get down there. Yeah, even with Volcano Princess, the issues don't start immediately. How long have I been streaming now? It's been like... I've been live for... I'm on 27 minutes now, apparently. I would say definitely give it a good, like... Oops. There we go. Ha! Gotcha. Knew I could get to it somehow. I feel like usually by like half an hour in, it's already kind of having problems. But yeah, I'll definitely keep going for a while longer. Are there any other games you want me to try testing with? I still have no dropped frames, which is good. Oops. Yeah, I'm down to like 21 FPS again. is not great, but at least hopefully I'm not getting the like crazy audio lagging issues or anything. Because that's really the main thing. Oh yeah, now the frame rate's dropping. Oh. Yeah, I can see it in the preview even. Like I can see the difference between the game on my screen and the game in like the OBS preview. It's very much more stuttery. Task manager again. Oh yeah, my my GPU is at like over 85%, which is probably not good. The real test would be Volcano Princess. Yeah, I mean, we've already tried Volcano Princess a bunch of times, and it's not very, How's your RAM situation? It's at 68%. I think it's been at around 68% pretty steadily for this entire, stream. For Volcano Princess, it was... I think it was lower. I think it was something around 55, 60. But yeah, also Volcano Princess, first of all, I turned my avatar tracking off. I also closed like every single other program and tab that I had open, and I turned down I turned down the resolution, I turned down the bit rate, I basically turned down everything I possibly could. And it was still having issues. So for this test, I actually brought my settings back up to normal, so I could just test my normal settings. But yeah, I guess if we're satisfied that things are working well, we can try Volcano Princess and see if we can verify that things get worse when we do that. Cat, please. Oh. Where am I supposed to go right now? Do I go here? It just brings me back there. Can I jump across here? I clearly cannot. Oh, I think I might have to go back down. I have to go down and then back up on the other side. So I think I'm missing some things here. And the ghosts don't like you playing Chinese games. Have I played a Chinese game before on this channel? I think this might be my first one. So yeah, you might be right. That would be very sad if so, because I had at least one other Chinese game lined up. Are these the Stairs of Doom? Can I not get back up after I go down here? No, I can go back up. Okay, I'm good here. I think this edge here is the one that I can't come back from. Because I remember I had an issue there. Oh. Where there was an optional thingy that I wanted to get, but... Uh-oh. Am I stuck here? Oh, no. We're good. Okay, I think I can't come back if I go down that ledge. So let me make sure to actually get everything here this time first. What was I saying? Oh, right, about Chinese games. There's at least Murder on the Yangtze River, which I was really excited for. So hopefully the ghosts are okay with that one. Like, there's no way up there. How the heck do I get there? So I remember I believe you do go back to this... Yeah, okay, I think you can get back to this area later in a future chapter where you have more abilities. Oh, hey, welcome, Kit. Thanks for coming. Yeah, don't worry about being late. It's all good. So yeah, we played To the Moon for a while, and it was working totally fine. I'm trying Grease now. It's been having a little bit of stuttering occasionally, but nothing nearly as bad as we were having with Volcano Princess. Alright, I think there's nothing else I can do here. I think maybe I have to keep going. Oh yeah, I can see that the stream is kind of stuttering again. Yeah. But yeah, To the Moon didn't have any issues whatsoever. My present causing lag. No, this game does do that sometimes. There's just a lot of animation going on, I guess. Yeah, oh man, my GPU is at 95%. Yikes. Yeah, see, I don't really have like a good... I don't have like a proper streaming setup or anything. I just kind of stream on my regular laptop. And it's a nice laptop, don't get me wrong. But it's not like a gaming laptop. Stylized and the music is pretty. It is a gorgeous game. I have a full playthrough on my channel if you want to check it out. It is very good. Oh god, yeah, GPUs. Oof. Oh, I saw 99% there for a little bit. Yeah, I mean, for sure, my setup is not ideal for streaming. That's part of why I try to stick to, like, relatively graphically simple games, that, you know, are less likely to give me issues. But, you know, obviously even... Well, okay, I wouldn't really call this game simple. It has a lot of, you know, very fluid animation and whatnot. But yeah, I've definitely been thinking about upgrading my setup. Oh man, yeah, I really need an upgrade. Look at that GPU go. So yeah, I've been having some frame rate drops, but I still have no drop frames, which I think is generally the big issue. That when you start dropping frames, that's when things are real bad. Oh, many people have issues with Volcano Princess. You know, for some reason, I never really thought to research that. I probably should have looked that up. But yeah, for me, it isn't really like the game crashing or bugging or anything. It's just, it seems to actually work fine on my end. It's just, it messes up my streams. But yeah, maybe it's just a buggy game. That's very unfortunate. It is very cute. But it has so many issues. So yeah, as far as upgrades, I was thinking of potentially... Oh, geez, I can see the frame rate go down. Too cute to handle, yeah. Appreciate some good animation. Yeah, this game is absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, you can even try playing it yourself if you want. It's really good. This doesn't even do it justice. Like, it gets way crazier later on. And yeah, like, the character animation is so fluid. And just the... I love the simple designs of just, like, these really gorgeous environments made out of relatively simple shapes. And just the kind of really beautiful color palettes. It's just, the colors are so striking and so just used so well. Dirty sandstorm time, yep. Yeah, it's an amazing game. Yeah. Oh god, no, I remember this part. This is the part that gave me so many issues, isn't it? Oh god. Alright, let's see if I can get through it this time. Alright, I can do this. Alright, I'm safe in here. Wait for the sandstorm to pass. Oh, actually, I don't think it was this part. I think it was a later part, maybe. Yeah, I'm also an appreciator of good animation. Oh, tiny bit of audio hiccups? That's not good. No. Okay, I made it. Phew. Yeah, the more complex the design is for 2D hand-drawn animations, the more I feel sorry for the animators. That's very true. I think the reason this animation looks so good is because the designs are really simple. That you can make them a lot more expressive. Oh god, yeah, I think this is the part that I had issues with. This was the platforming that I struggled with. Let's see if I can do it this time. Okay, we're good so far. Simple is very key, indeed. Yeah, I think in some ways there's a lot more that you can do with very simple designs. Did I do it? Oh god, no. I needed to get something. I'm missing a thingy. Where do I get the thingy? Where do I get the thingy? Am I really missing a thingy? Yeah, it's just, you know, simple designs are easier to animate, and therefore you can do more with the animation. What happened? Why am I missing a thingy? Oops. Ah. Okay, I'm not gonna make it. I should just stay in the corner and wait for it to pass. But yeah, I think it does seem like a lot of the issue is coming from Volcano Princess, so I'm probably going to end up dropping it. But I also don't like the fact that this game is like maxing out my GPU and giving me bad frame rates. So I probably will also look into upgrading my setup. No! Is there something back here that gives me a shiny? Probably. Is there a shiny back here? Yeah, there it is. Now I have everything I need. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of different styles and different ways to use both stylized and realistic art. I think in general I'm more a fan of simplified, stylized designs, but I think both can definitely be done well. Ah! I'm not gonna make it. I'm absolutely not gonna make it. Oh, I can stop here, though. That's very good. I didn't know I could do that. Okay. Now I just need to make that one jump. And then I'll be fine. But yeah, I think I'm kind of deciding whether I want to just get a Steam Deck or to upgrade my entire computer setup. I think getting a Steam Deck is probably the smarter thing to do. Hello, Sanchos! Long time no see. Welcome to the stream. I'm just doing some testing. I don't know if you've seen any of my recent streams, but I've been having issues. So I wanted to go back to some old games and see if everything still works. And for the most part, they do seem to be doing pretty well. Although I've definitely been noticing some issues with this game. Oh. What are we at? 48 minutes? I think we've probably seen what we need to see from this game. Should we try doing a different one? Or should we maybe try doing Volcano Princess again? And seeing if we can get that to work at all? Let's see what else is there. Well, the very first game I ever played on here was The Magic Circle, which was actually also a 3D game. Past exams and are now trying to get into university? Congratulations! That's awesome. What are you planning to, like, major in? Let's see. There's the murder of Sonic the Hedgehog, which had problems in its own way, I guess. Space for the Unbound. There's Start Again and, what's it? In Stars of Time. Kept getting caught in the goddamn time loop. Yep, that's true. I think we've probably gotten enough data. Let's try doing Volcano Princess again. Let's give it a try. See how badly it breaks on me this time. Using a Lenovo laptop? No, I am not. I'm using an LG Gram, which is not the most common of laptops, but it's quite nice. One of the things I really like about it is that it has a built-in, pen sensitivity, so it, like, comes with a pen, so I can just draw on the laptop screen. Normally, when you do this kind of digital art, you need a separate, like, drawing tablet, but this one is actually just built into the screen, which is really convenient. Where's Volcano Princess? There's Volcano Princess. So yeah, it's a nice laptop. I like it a lot, but, you know, it's very much not designed for streaming. All right. Now then, where is Volcano Princess? Volcano Princess.exe is not responding. Oh no. Oh no. Game, why are you doing this? All right, let's try it again. We're inventing new ways to crash the game, yep. Whoop. All right, well, it's not responding, or it doesn't say that it's not responding this time, but it's definitely taking a while to load. It's not responding again. All right, I'm going to turn off my avatar because that generally helps a little bit. You know what? Maybe while that's loading, maybe would it be a bad idea to start installing a new game? Because I feel like I'm gonna end up dropping Volcano Princess and starting something else instead. I actually bought a couple new games in on the summer sale. It's still not responding. Why does it keep crashing? What is wrong here? Now I can't believe Volcano Princess at all. Hello, Volcano Princess? All right, I'm still getting a black screen with spinny mouse cursor. Oh, something's happening. There we go. Here's the game. Let's just load one of my early files. Yeah, let's go from here, sure. So many letters. Oh, Hackett. I'm just kind of going through these quickly. Frame rate's already at like 13 FPS. Lovely. Um... Alright, call Rose. I wonder if it's because there's all these, like, effects on the screen. There's just little, like, petals and flowers and stuff flying across, and that's like... Oh shit, my GPU's at 100%! The hell is this? Why does this game need so much GPU? Huh. So I wasn't looking at the GPU last time. That's where I should have been looking. Oh, it went down. It dipped briefly and now it's back up to 98%. Too cute to handle, yeah. It's just Rose's cuteness takes that much GPU. So, like, I'm thinking about upgrades and, like, I don't know how good the, like, Steam Deck's GPU is. Well, or whatever its, like, equivalent. Yeah, like, I imagine it would be able to handle this fine, right? Audio lagging heavily. I have no dropped frames, though. Okay. Alright, screw it. I'm stopping the game. I saw that 100% GPU, I think. Oh my gosh. I think we've proven the point. Here, let me bring myself back up. Boy. Here, we can do a talking screen. There we go. I haven't gotten to use this before. It's just kind of my regular background, but repurposed slightly. Yeah, so I think it's pretty clear that Rose's cuteness is just way too resource intensive for my computer. How's the stream now, by the way? Is the lag gone now that I turned the game off? YouTube status is still yellow. It should be better now, though. Alright, can you guys still, like, see and hear me? Am I back? Still a little bit. So yeah, just with this, I'm at about 45% CPU, 64% RAM, and 44% GPU. Nowhere near how it was while playing. I mean, there shouldn't be any issues when I'm, like, not playing a game. Maybe I should refresh something? I don't know. Maybe it just, like, needs some time to catch up or something. I wonder if OBS has, like, a built-in status viewer. I don't want to have to, like, click back and forth with my task manager all the time. So yeah, right now in kind of this resting state with just my VTube Studio going, I'm at about 40% GPU, which I don't know if that's normal, but at least it's definitely better than 100%. So it looks like on top of this I have, you know, 60% GPU to work with for games. Oh boy. But yeah, like I don't really know how good the Steam Deck is going to be relative to this computer. Um, Obviously it's going to have less kind of stuff to do, because it's not going to be handling the actual streaming part. So, hopefully that'll be better. But it's really concerning to me that, like, even with basically nothing else running, Volcano Princess was just eating up all of my GPU. Like, that does not seem normal. Um, but yeah, I think I probably will go ahead and try to upgrade to a Steam Deck. Because, like, I think with what we saw in Greece, for instance, like, I would really like that game to run smoothly so that you guys can also experience just how beautiful and fluid the animation is. Yeah, To the Moon was running perfectly fine. Greece was having a little bit of issues. And, like, that's the kind of game that I really want to be experienced, like, in its full glory. So it's a little bit disappointing to see that. Um, yeah, I just... Surely it would run well on a Steam Deck, right? Probably. I can't imagine it wouldn't. And hopefully if I get the Steam Deck, I'll also be able to... You know what? Just to mess around, let's try... Let's try Obra Dinn. Where's Obra Dinn? All right, do you want to do it? Let's do it. Let's see how fast my GPU fills up. Nope. Oh, hang on. Except this game actually, like, launches normally and doesn't crash when I'm trying to bring it up. Wait. Ugh. So Obra Dinn does that annoying thing where, like, if it's active, it, like, captures your mouse. So I can't click around in my other stuff when I'm playing it. 1.5 FPS. So right now on the intro screen, it's still fine. Let's just start a new save. Oh. Immediately at 99%.
Company man woke me up. Said you'd need ferry to the Obra Dinn.
We haven't even gotten to the actual graphics yet.
Not many eager for that job.
Oh no.
Seems a bit
There's
late,
at least 3
boss.
lines of text on that screen, yep. I mean, my frame rate is still at 30.
I don't know.
Frame rate's still okay.
Stop and
And no dropped frames yet.
Hey,
But the GPU is already dead.
carefully.
Okay, here. While I'm doing this, let me turn myself off. Because that's probably not helping at all. Alright. Bye, guys. It's nice knowing you. Alright. Nope. Hey, how do I... There we go. Oh boy, there goes the frame rate. 5 FPS! Lovely. Alright, I think that's probably enough for that experiment. Let's go close that. Yeah. Here. Okay, so that was interesting to see. I feel like I haven't been looking at the GPU as much as I should have been. Because, yeah, that's definitely where the issues are coming from. Yeah. Steam Deck should fix all that, probably, right? I imagine it can run Obra Dinn just fine. Surely? Otherwise, what's the point of it? Like, it's not even any kind of crazy, you know, high definition anything. I think that might be the way to go. Would To the Moon play okay now that you've been streaming a whole hour? We can try that. I imagine it'll be perfectly fine. But, you know, for the sake of experiment, for science, we should give it a try. GPU at 65%. And some laptops, the issue starts after 1 or 2 hours of using it. Yeah, that's entirely fair. It does seem like it very much changes as I switch games. Wait, why can I examine things now? So yeah, in this game, the GPU seems to hover around 60 to 70% so far. Oh, audio is a bit laggy now. That's concerning. These are still looking okay on my end. Minimal but consistent. Video seems fine though. Yeah, I don't know, maybe just the issues with the other games just made it out of sync a little bit? Or is it like... Is it an audio sync issue, or is the audio, like, stuttering? stutters for a millisecond every second. Huh. Weird. I'll definitely try to listen back to that later. See what the heck is going on. Yeah, I don't know what causes any of that, to be honest. Oh, I actually haven't really looked at, there's a Wi-Fi thing on here, too. If I can monitor my Wi-Fi. Sending, yeah, so that... I'm not really sure how much that should be doing. Definitely sending things. Which I imagine more or less corresponds to my hit rate to some extent. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if it's just a matter of how long I've been streaming. I feel like maybe the errors just kind of build up. That, like, because there were problems earlier, it kind of, affects the rest of the stream. I guess that would kind of explain why errors tend to happen, like, later on during the stream. I don't know. I don't really understand how this stuff works. Volcano Princess was doing fine for the first time you played it for the most part. Was it? I feel like even the first stream had issues. I think it was also... It was fine for a while, but then later in the stream it was having issues. I don't know. Yeah, thanks for coming, Luke. To be honest, I think we've kind of... Well... We've definitely made some progress in understanding what the heck is going on. Yeah, it is slightly concerning if To the Moon is having issues too. Yeah, the struggle started after half an hour or so, yeah. But yeah, I mean, when I played through To the Moon the first time, I don't think it had any issues ever. I mean, apart from the weird dialogue bugs, but, yeah, I think it might just be having some, like, persistent issues from when we were messing around before. Oh man, it's the dialogue. Not working again. Been steady for this To the Moon. So yeah, I think for the most part these games are fine. I think it's just when the GPU starts having issues that things go bad. Okay, I think that's probably enough testing. Yeah, so I'm going to be... I guess I'll have to drop Volcano Princess then and pick up a different game. I have a lot of interesting stuff to choose from. I was kind of itching to check out Murders on the Yangtze River, so that seems very cool. I also have I Was a Teenage Exocolonist, which has been on my backlog for like such a long time now. I kind of am starting to feel bad for it. I feel like I should get to that sooner rather than later. Yeah, and I have some other interesting new games that I picked up on their summer sale. Um, so yeah, but it'll probably be one of those two, I think. Depends if we're in the mood for more um, murder mysteries or more kind of slice of life coming of age kind of stuff. Probably turning on the laptop right before streaming might help a bit. You mean like keep it off until I start streaming? Because I pretty much never turn this thing off. um, but yeah, I'll try off stream to play these games and see if I can tell that the GPU has problems even off stream. And then hopefully I will be able to kind of diagnose these things before they happen. Anyway, thank you so much for coming and helping me test this stuff. Yeah, I guess I'll try testing games a little bit more before I stream, so hopefully I don't end up with these issues again. And then eventually, hopefully, I will upgrade my setup, and then I'll be able to play these other games. I really want to play Return of the Obra Dinn. I really, really am dying to play it, and I'm so annoyed that it's not working. Finding out the issues plaguing you is the real mystery to solve. Yeah, that's right. But I think we've more or less solved them. It turned out to be very straightforward. It's just that I don't have enough GPU. Oh no. Because yeah, like this isn't a gaming laptop or anything. It's just has integrated graphics. Normal laptop stuff. Anyway, I hope you have a good rest of your day. I'll be streaming on Sunday for my regular Speed Paint Sunday stream. I figured out what was wrong with that too. Last time I had to cancel the stream because my pen wasn't working properly. But I reinstalled my art software and that, or not reinstalled, I installed updates and that seems to have fixed everything. So we'll be doing that on Sunday, and then next Tuesday I'll be switching to a new game, I guess. I kind of do want to do some more murder mysteries. Maybe let's do Murders on the Yangtze River. Anyway, I'll be making an announcement about that sometime before then. So, I hope you guys look forward to that.